Civil Aviation Minister Ajit Singh has warned the striking Air India pilots yet again, asking them to call off their strike, saying that the pilots cannot hold the country to ransom. Operations must commence immediately.
If you notice that now we have made it, if we find a pilot drunk, first offense, we suspend him for 3 months, second offense, we take away his license. So it's a very sensitive thing, and DGCA has rules and all that, if they don't report for a certain period of time, then their health has to be thoroughly checked. So DGCA will look into that. I don't know exactly how it works.
But the report suggests that they are using ill health as a premise to be on strike.
See, you and me both know that we didn't need this report to understand that. We knew from day one, and you knew from day one. That suddenly, in fact, the IPG's chief has been openly saying, "Kal aur sikh ho jayenge." So therefore, it's sad that they are using that ruse. See, any group of employees have grievances, and they have a right to strike also. They should give notice. They should discuss the issues, and then they should consider their customers' convenience. They could have discussed it 2 months later. Why in the peak season? But then
how come there is no contempt notice still being issued from Air India management side? They have that option.
Yes, they have that option, but they will take decisions according to, whatever their plans are.
More than 100 crores have been lost already because of the pilot strike.
Yes.
And
yes.
the money is keeping on increasing, financial losses
Yes.
for the national carrier.
Yes.
What is being done to resolve this issue as such? Apart from, doing the contingency plan, that's a separate issue. What is being done to resolve the issue at hand?
That's not the separate issue. If this thing is not resolved, if pilots don't understand how they are denting the credibility of Air India, how they are causing the losses, then contingency plan is the only option.
But so the contingency plan is also not in place. It was supposed to be in place by Monday morning.
Be little patient, be little patient.
So I have one question. So, you were just saying about the medical report that, you and I knew from day one that, what are you indicating then? Perhaps are you suggesting that maybe there were a bunch of pilots who simply lying just...
I won't go beyond what I have said.
Okay. But is there going to be any actions are taken on the...
Whatever the rules are, DGCA will take the
Both
action.
stands not budging from
Both
their
stands not
positions.
budging.
Do you see this deadlock ending anytime soon?
I hope so.
Thank you.
In fact, even as the government is talking tough, Air India's woes only worsen as the strike has entered its 8th day. The government talking tough, saying that the pilots must end the agitation first for talks to begin. With both sides staring down at each other, it is now a question of who will blink first.